basics regarding referring and indexing. First, I will just give a brief introduction how we'll do this, and then we'll go to Text Studio and see it practically. So in this session, we'll see how to create footnotes in an article or report. Now, cross-referring of sections, subsections, then referring a table and figure, then making and referring bibliography, and then finally we'll see book indexing. So these are the things we'll be doing in this session. So footnotes, we all are aware what is footnotes. So to give a footnote, we'll just use this command, footnote number. This number will be indicated to the reference regarding which we are giving the footnotes, and this within the parentheses we'll write footnote information. Now for cross-referring, it involves two steps. First one, leveling the equation or section which we'll be referring. So we'll do this with the command level, and inside the parenthesis we'll give the level name. Then we'll refer that section, subsection or chapter using commands. We'll use the command ref and level name. This name and this level name should be same to identify a particular section or subsection. Now for equations, we'll use EQREF, means equation ref. This is just to differentiate between equation and a section. Or next, referring a table and figure. So to refer a table, the command is ref. Of course, we have to level it first, and then we'll use the ref command. This is the table we'll be creating, and we'll be referring this one. Then similarly, figure. For figure, we'll need a package called graphics. So to call this figure into our text, we'll use the command include graphics, then scale. Within square bracket it is scale. This will define the size of the graphics, and here within the parenthesis it will be the name that we have given to our figure. Note that the text document as well as this figure must be saved in the same folder. Then finally we'll go for bibliography. For bibliography we use the command begin the bibliography and end the bibliography. Now in this parenthesis we'll write how many numbers and approximate numbers of references that we'll be using. Even though we are using say 20, we may write it 100 also. That is the maximum limit. So it is always better to put a bigger number here. Then the format of writing a reference is bibitem, level name. This will be the reference or name we are giving to particular reference which we will be referring later on. Then author name, then these are the bibliography informations. So this is how we create a reference or bibliography. And to call that bibliography in the text, we use the command cite. Then finally, that is back indexing. For indexing, we'll use a package called macIDX. And in addition, in the preamble means those part which is above the beginning document. We'll write one command backslash make index, and to choose the particular word or phrase for indexing, we'll use the command index, and within parentheses we'll write word or phrase that we want to index. And to print the index, we'll use the command print index just before the end document. So these are the things that we will going to see practically in this session. Okay, now we'll go to the text studio. So I will okay. So this is the presentation text. I will open a new one, so untitled one. So as we will first create our document here, we'll see one by one. So it is document class. We have discussed these things in my last session. Document class. So I will write 12 point. So this would be, I think, in square bracket. So 12 point. And I will correct, yes. This is a report. Then I will write slash, one by one I will see. I will write slash begin document, and it will be end document. So I will bring this one here. Now let us write the title. Say title. Let's say it is indexing. I will write indexing and referring. Indexing and say referring. Now author, say slash author. So I will simply write my name. Now I want to give my address as a footnote. So to bring this title in the document, I will write here make title. Now I will indicate this one by number 1. Say it will be clear once I compile. So this is come as 1 here. You can see in the screen 1 is given. Now this will refer to the footnote. So what I will do, I will write a slash footnote, and write footnote. Now I will write that number. I will write my address here. Say Department of Mathematics, Rajiv Gandhi University, say Arunachal Pradesh. See, this has appeared as a footnote here. 1 means it is my name, and here this 1 is referred to this one, this address, Department of Mathematics, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. So to make footnotes, we'll use this command. Now this one is the reference to the name. Suppose I want there is someone, another one, say Ambora. Say I will write Ambora, and I will refer this one as 2. So I will again make another footnote. I will simply write slash footnote 2, and here I will write Bahona College, Assam. Say. I write like this. Now it has come as 2. 2 refers to M. Bora and 1 refers to N. Saikia. So this is how we create footnotes. So this is regarding footnotes. Now cross-referring. Suppose let us make a section here. I will make one section here using section before foot. Okay, section here I will write say cross-referring, sections. Say this is sections. Now for cross-referring we always have to label it first. So I will put this command \label. I will write, we can give any name that is of our choice. I will write say sec1. Okay, or sec1. So we'll simply write, so let us refer this section in, or let us first define another one, say subsection. So we can write referring a section. I will write referring a section. So we have labeled this section cross referring of section as sec1. So here I will write say this is a subsection of this section. First one I will write section. Now I will refer this section. I will use ref and this I will add sec1 because this is the name I have given to this section. So I will simply write sec1. So let us check whether it has taken or not. We'll see. Okay, this is marked as cross-referring 1. So it has taken 0.1 because it is coming as 0.1. I will change it. We can use one command to change this to 1. So we'll give this one in this in the preamble. Now it has turned to 1. So it has come like this: cross-referring section, referring a section. This is 1.1. So I have written this is a subsection of section 1. It has taken as 1. So we use the command ref sec1 after labeling that section to refer a section. Similarly, we can refer a subsection also. So next, let us see how to refer a equation. So for equation, we know we need the package MS-Math. So we can write use package AMS-Math. So here I will write one equation. Now to write an equation, we will use one command called begin equation. Begin equation. Then it will take automatically equation number. Begin equation slash end equations. End equations. So I will write one equation. Say simple one. Say Q say infinity will write \INFT. You can see like this. Say I will write Q to the power, say I will simply write 25, then Q to the power 25. Then to put bigger brackets, we can use this command /left. When something begins left, so it should also end in right. Okay, so inside this I will put r cube minus q, then minus say q square, sorry, 4q square, say r cube. This is just an equation. Now when we'll compile, so I can, here we have made a mistake. E is missing, so I will write equation. So error has come because E was missing here. So I will write, now it is normal, process exited normally. So I got an equation here, this one. And it has taken equation number. Now I want to refer this equation in our text. So I will label this one. Label command is always same. Label, say I will write any name, say EQ1, means equation 1. So I can write the above equation, I can write equation 1. I want to refer this equation 1, so I will write slash EQref. For equation we write EQ, and I have given its name as EQ1. So I will write EQ1 is due to say Ramanujan. I will write say Ramanujan. Say, so now I will compile. Now it has taken it, equation 1. Now let us make another equation. Let us change. What will happen? I will write another equation above it. Begin equation slash end equation. I will write some P plus Q equal to R. Say P plus Q equal to R. Now when we compile, now see this equation takes the number 1. Earlier this one was there. Now when this equation number changes, here also it changes, equation number changes automatically. So this is the advantage in LaTeX. So in other format, say MS Word, we have to again edit it, we will have to make it 2. But when we refer, it is always easy in LaTeX. So this is how we refer equation and how we refer section. Similarly, subsection also we can refer. Say I will show this subsection. You can label. You can say S1. I will give S1. Say. So here I will just put one text. Following is a say subsection of this. Following I will write. We can write subsection. I will write subsection because I have to refer ref. It is simply I will write S1, not equal one S1. This should be correct. Subsection is a you can write description say of referring a section. It's a simple some sentence we can write like this. Now see here subsection 1.1. So process of labeling and referring a section and subsection is same. Only in case of equations we use EQref, command EQref. Same process, by using same process we can refer a theorem also. Say we can write begin theorem. One theorem we can write. Begin theorem and theorem. So I will write something. We have here we'll use math mod. For equation we do not need this $. For theorem we will be using math mod. Say x plus y equal to z. So simple this one. Now here I will again refer how to refer a theorem. So I will again put label say ph1 That is theorem 1. So I will write theorem. Now for theorem, for corollary, everything we use command ref. So I will write th1. Theorem 1 is a simple equation. Simple equation, say. Is a simple equation. So I will write. I have made some mistake, I think. Where I have made? I think this environment is not defined. What is it? Is it THM? No, sorry, I have to compile here. So we need, I think, some more package here. Okay, let us see. So we have to define this one in the above. Okay, I will take some other information. Just wait. I will take some, say, some template. From template I can use this one. Say I will 1 minute. I will take it from here. So I will take like this. These type of things are available. So we'll just copy here and we'll paste it here in the Printful. Say I will paste it. So here everything is defined. And we'll use some package also. I think this will now work or not. Let us see. It is not working. 1 minute. I will take other one. 1 minute. Wait. I think I have to take AMS art. So I have to change, I think, this one. Instead of report, I will write, say, AMS art. These are class file, I think. Now, I think it will work. Now, I think it will work. Yes. I have to take this American Mathematical article, AMS art. So inside this class file, these theorems are defined, even if this is not required. This is not required. So these are some of the things class. Is it so? Is it like this? Okay, let us skip those ones. So like this theorem can be referred. Theorem 1.1, we have x plus y. So theorem 1.1 is a simple equation. So this is how we refer a theorem. So for theorem, corollary, sections, subsections, we always use the command ref. And for equation, it is eqref. Now, let us see how to refer a table. So first we'll create a table. So let us first create a table. So I will write simple section. One section I will make create referring a table. Referring a table. I1. So how to create a table? So I will write slash begin table. Then here I will write anything begins that will end table. Now I want this table at the same place where it is commands are given. So I will simply in square bracket I will simply write H here. H means here. So then it will be regarding the scores. So I will give a caption. So I will write caption, backslash caption. So it is cricketers cricketer versus scores. I will write. This is the caption, name of the table. Then I will write begin tabular. Say I will write slash begin tabular. Now there will be 3 columns. Say there are 3 columns. So we'll simply write. Now when we have begin tabular, it must end. So I will first write end tabular. End tabular. So 3 columns. So I will construct like this. First one, that is this. Sorry. Then another C, second column. And another C, third column. And the row will write later on. Now 3 columns. First will be serial number. I will write say SL number. And we'll use that symbol AND for next column. Serial number will come in the first column. Then we'll use say name of player, say, and finally it will be say score. Now this first row is completed. Horizontal lines we have not yet put here. We'll see it later on. Then first one is 1, serial number 1, and the player name is Tendulkar. Okay, Tendulkar. Then score is 80. We'll break it here. Then second serial number is 2. I will write say Ganguly. Then say 65. We'll break it. Then say serial number 3. I will write Rabbit. And say it is 60. Say. Now let us compile. What will we get from here? See, let us compile. So horizontal lines are missing. Of course, caption has come, table 1. Then horizontal lines are missing. So horizontal lines are put using a command called hline. Hline, horizontal line. Let us see. So first one has come. We again want 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So we need 4 more lines. So we'll simply copy this one. After this one, we'll again put 1 hline. From here also we'll write 1 hline. Hline. Now again we'll compile. Let us see. Now this table is complete. So this is the table we have formed using this command. Now to refer this table, we will have to label it first. So how we'll label? We'll go to the caption. After the caption is completed, here we'll use /label. I will put say tab 1. So below I will now write the table. Now I will give the table number. So what will be command? It will be ref tab 1, not EQ is coming in. Tab 1 shows the scores of players in a, say, cricket match. I'll simply write like this. So let us compile this one. So it has taken as table 1. This is table 1, and here it has taken table 1. So this is how we create a table and refer a table. Then let us go to the referring of a figure. So for figure, most important thing is that this file should be set in the same folder where that figure is also saved. So I will first save this one in the folder. Save. In the desktop, I have created one folder. I think I have this indexing. It is, I will write indexing. Okay. Have then given this indexing command. Is a file name indexing. So this indexing, here I have set this logo, Rajiv logo. In the same folder it should be, and the file is saved here. So let us go to this one. So let us go to this. So here I will make a section again, say slash section referring a figure. Referring a figure. Now for referring a figure, we need one package that is called graphics. So I will write slash. Now we can write here also, just putting a command graphics, graphics. So we can check whether it is correct or not. Yes, spelling is correct, so it has not shown any error. So now we will include that logo here. So that command is simple. So we will use this one, slash begin figure, right, begin figure, and we'll put H here. So H will be here, figure will come here. Then we'll use a caption, name of the figure. So I simply write Rajiv logo. This is a caption. Then I will include the figure, include graphics, then scale. I will write, say, 0.5. Let us see what we can change this one, and the name of the file there is, I have written Rajiv. So when figure begins, it must end slash and figure, and figure. So let us see what happens. So this figure has come. It has shown figure 1 because we have used the command begin figure. So it is figure 1. Here we have used table, begin table. So there it was table 1. Now this scale can be changed. It is, if we feel this is small, so we can make it 1. If we make it 1, it will, size will increase. Now this caption is very close to the figure, so we can give one space here. In last sessions I have said to give vertical space we can use V skip. So I will give 2 mm. So let us say. So 2 mm gap is created here. So now I want to refer this figure now. So it is same, simply we use the ref command. Above, you can write the figure, right? Figure. Now I have to give it a label first. Slash label. Say F1 I give. Or simply F. F1 I have given. Ref F1 is Rajiv logo. So let us compile this one and go. Why it has not come? Should come. It has come here, I think. It has come here. It should have come after this. So I think I will take this to a new page. So, new page. Now it has come. Because this happened because there is a space for text, but that space is very less for this figure. So this text has gone there and figure comes down. So I have just given a command, new page. So this figure and this text comes in the same page. So the figure is RG figure 1. So this is how we refer figure 1. Figures in LaTeX document.
Sir.
Yes.
In which format we should save the figure in the folder? In the same folder means?
Presently, this is in JPG. Or there are other formats also, EPS like that.
EPS also, okay.
Yes. So if you Google the formats for figures in LaTeX, you will easily get this one. I have saved this one in JPG format. So this is regarding figure, and labeling should be always done in the caption because it defines the figure number 1. Now let us go to making a bibliography. So let us make one section. Say making bibliography, right? Bibliography and referring or citing. I can write citing it in the text. Okay. So for bibliography, we have to use this command. Begin the bibliography. Bibliography. So if it has begin, it must also end. Slash end. It should be and the. Now see, once we started to type this command, it appeared here. So we can again try. We can again try this slash and the bibliography. Now the bibliography has come here, so we can simply put enter. So here we'll use an approximate number of references we'll be using. Say I am just putting 99. It is better to put a big number, say 99 or 100. Now I will just write one B reference. I will say B item, backslash B item. Here I will put the labeling. So I can write say BC, BCB I will write. So after this we'll write the author name. I will write BC, say Barnes. All right. Now I will write the bibliographic information here. Say Ramanujan's notebook, part 3. I will in bracket I will write say 2005. This is just like this. I will write Springer. Now let us try to compile this one. It comes normally. Another one I will write say slash div item. Now once I have created one, it is better to copy. It will be time saving. We copy it, paste here. Now say I will write GOL. I will write goal list. Say. So I will write some continuous fraction. Say I will simply write like this. This is just now again I will see. I will compile. So this is how these references are coming. Now if I change this one, first one I want to bring it down. I bring it down. So if we'll do this one in MS Word, I have to change this one. Numbers also one has to change. But here, if we'll compile, it's automatically changed. Now this has become 1 and this has become 2. Now let us try to refer this one. I will go to the equation that I have typed. Equation is due to Ramanujan. This equation we can add here. This equation can be found in, I will write Barnes book. I will write cite. For referring bibliography, I will write C. Now one easiest thing is, since I have very less number of reference, only 2, it is showing here. So I will click here and I will simply type here and put enter here. So I have referred that BCB. Remember that is in number 2, BCB2. So let us try to compile here. So what we'll do? Here we go. The equation can be found in Barnes book 2. Now I am also interested to put some details regarding this equation. This equation 1.2. So I want to put page number and the entry number. So I will put a square bracket here. This is a square bracket. Before this BCB or after cite command, in between cite command and BCB. So I will put page number say 34 and entry 12, say entry 12. So now I will compile again. What will be output? So it has come like this. Barnes book page reference has come first 2, then page, then entry number 12. Okay. So one can also write this equation is also proved by, I will write goal list. Goal list, I will write cite. Now when I say cite, now this goal has already come. So I'll just put enter. And here suppose I want to put the page 66 cent. I will compile now. So here, since I have mentioned only page, so only page has come after the citation number. Now let us say, since my reference is not in alphabetically order, so I want to take this BC above. So I will take it above here. Now again I will compile here. Now see, BC bond become 1 and goal list become 2. Now I will go here. Earlier this BC bond was 2. So now if I compile, what will happen? Now BC bond become 1 and goal list become 2 automatically. So this is the advantage in LaTeX in comparison to MS Word. So this is how we create. We have seen how we have created a bibliography and how we have referred, cited in the text. Now finally, the indexing. Let us see. So I will put a section, indexing. Indexing, I will simply write back and indexing. So it will be more clear. Now for back indexing, we need one package, and that package will take here, right here. We don't need to write use package again and again. We'll simply write one after another by putting a comma. So I will write, it was make idx. This was the package. After writing this, let us compile it. I think there is some error. Now index is for not art. It is not defined in this class file. So I will simply write article. It will go away. Okay, it will not be considered for compilation. Still already there some more errors are there, so I will keep doing this one. Now it has come normally. So if there is something unnecessary or undefined, so we can put percentage sign. So this will be considered as a statement only, not as command. So we have changed it to article now, and this is working now. This package is working now, IDX. Now in addition to this, I have to write one more command. Here I will write backslash make index. Here it is already coming. Thus I will write make index. Now to print index, I will go the last part just before. Sorry, here it is creating some problem. I think it should be here. Okay, yes. So at the last part, we will print the index. Print index. Now we will choose those words which we want in the index. Suppose I want this continued fraction. Okay, so I will simply write slash index. I will put this one in parentheses. I will choose somewhere scores, say index of the players. I will choose this phrase. Then I will choose this cricket also, index cricket, only cricket, one word. Then I will again go somewhere. I will choose this Ramanujan, say index Then say I will choose something, say section, subsection. I will choose this, say I will choose. Now let us compile. whether index is coming or not. There is no error, but nothing has come. I think we have to use one more command. F12 I have to use. Let us do this one. F12. Now it has F12 we have press. It is in the tools. In tools you go and you will see it is F12 is there, index. So F12, the process exited normally. Now we will compile. Let us see whether this index appears or not. This index has come now. See, continued fraction, page 2, cricket 1, Ramanujan 1, scores players 1. So like this, it has come. So we can create index for report and articles or books in this method. So only thing is that we need a package index make idx. Then in the preamble we have to write print make index. Then before the end document we have to write print index, this one. And if we go to tools and we'll press